The Mavic 3 is on its way. In the last video about the Mavic 3, I talked about why you should just buy a drone now versus waiting, and in this video it's the opposite. So the Mavic 3 is set to be announced in early 2021. So in some of the leaks I saw, we are going to have interchangeable lenses on the Pro model. I heard there could be a Mavic 3 or Mavic 3 Pro. So interchangeable lenses are going to change the game for the Mavic series because none of the Mavic drones have interchangeable lenses right now. They all just come with built-in cameras. So that'll be really big for photographers and videographers to be able to change those lenses and get different focal lengths. It'll make the drone a more professional drone than what it is now. Not to say the Mavic 2 isn't a professional drone, but it's limited in that aspect. The only drone that you can buy right now that offers that would be the Inspire 2. And obviously the Inspire 2 is like a $15,000 drone. Maybe it's a little less, $10,000 drone. Not really in everybody's price point. It's definitely not in mine. The Mavic 2 Pro really has done the job to have an affordable drone for professionals that offers interchangeable lenses would be awesome. And I've even heard that the Mavic 3 could replace the Inspire line. I'm on the fence about that because the Inspire line is so professional. That I don't really believe, but it was one of the rumors, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Another reason I would wait for the Mavic 3 is video. So with video right now on the Mavic 2, you can only shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. Compared to the Mavic Air 2, you can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second. So video is your thing. Having that extra 60 frames per second really does go a long way when you're making video. I actually prefer how my video looks on the Phantom 4 Pro versus the Mavic 2 Pro because you get 4K 60 with the Phantom, whereas with the Mavic 2, you're limited to 4K 30. So that would be another reason to wait on the Mavic 3. I almost said Mavic 2. And honestly, who knows what else is in store with DJI. They always come up with something awesome. So I'm excited to see what the Mavic 3 is about. I touched on design, I touched on camera, video quality, basically the things that I would want to upgrade for. But let me know in the comments if you guys know any other rumors. I mean, I'm pretty good at paying attention, but you know, you never know, I could have missed something. I'm just really excited to see the new Mavic 3, and I hope that it is announced at the end of this year. But if it is early next year, that's okay, because honestly, the Mavic 2 Pro has been such an amazing drone. So if I have to stick with that a little bit longer, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, guys, anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and also make sure to hit the notification bell so that you're updated when I create new content. Please give this video a thumbs up because it helps rank in the algorithm. If you're new here, check out some of my vlogs, cinematic drone videos. Pretty much this whole channel is dedicated to drones and filmmaking and all that stuff. So it's really fun and I'm looking to grow my audience right now. I have under 1,000 subscribers and my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. So far I'm on track to do that. So thank you to everybody that has supported the channel. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.